product from Africa. Stay tuned!
Yes, guys, we have lots of goodies on our table all the way from Nigeria. So before we proceed on this video, I would like to mention that our stuff got in very late, so we had to unbox last night and we kept most of them in the freezer. So, shall we?
Yes.
So, first here is
Pap.
okay, pap. Guys, there's nothing like pap. We have custard here in Sweden, but pap is pap. So this one is maize, yellow maize pap. This local condiment. This one is the pepper soup spice, jollof rice spice, and fried rice. We have here suya spice for our suya, and of course barbecue fish. Guys, you are seeing here this one here. My kids couldn't wait. They demolished the whole Lucozade bits. I wanted them to have a taste of this Lucozade boost back from Nigeria. Here is, oh no, this one is my best, guys. Asa fish. Asa fish, guys.
Asa fish, guys.
I know asa is very expensive, but one thing I love about this fish is that use it and make anything in the soup, it will stick right there, no breakage, unlike mangala or catfish. The next is spicy peanut butter. Here is what? Breadfruit, roasted breadfruit. Oh my god, we don't have groundnut, no peanuts, only this breadfruit, and we are so grateful. Here is Brazilian wool. This is what I use on my girl's hair, and we actually got 2 dozens of this Brazilian wool, but I just left one on the table. These ones are cocoa rubber band.
Yeah, cocoa rubber band.
Yeah, we have rubber bands here in Sweden, but it's not as strong as this cocoa rubber band. I used this one while growing up, guys. Oh, life. Next is tapioca or abacha.
Tapioca or abacha.
Good. And this one is grounded melon or egusi. Grounded melon. Look what we have here, guys. Oh, obaka, fresh obaka. Can you see, guys? Oh, cuckoo. Use it for porridge, yeah, or abacha. And this one is dried bitter leaf.
This one is
Otazi. Otazi, yes. Oh, guys, what I have here is Otazi, Okazi, or Afan. Unfortunately, they couldn't slice it because they ran out of time. I will try and do this. Only God knows when I will slice it. I hope I'll do that.
Starfish.
Yes, we have fish and crayfish Maggie, chicken no, and this one is goat meat flavor. They couldn't get Royco flavor for me, so they got it. So it's going to be my first time of making use of this brand, guys, and I hope it will turn out well like Royco.
Bitter color.
Yeah, guys, so expensive here in Sweden. This one here, oh god, it's 10 crowns. 10 grams is equivalent of about 400 naira back in Nigeria. Guys, we have uziza leaves. Uziza. Oh my god, how would I have forgotten this? This one is moi moi pouch. It's actually a gift. Oh no, I can't wait to use this, guys. It's going to be my first time of making use of this moi moi pouch.
Crayfish.
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 Not crayfish. Crayfish.
Crayfish.
Yes, and what do we have here? African nutmeg or ehuru. Ehuru. And we have dried breadfruits. We are going to eat porridge breadfruits. I can't wait. Guys, so what do we have here?
Chocomilk.
Chocomilk! Chocomilk! Chocomilk is not so fun, guys. Can you remember these advertisements back in the days? If you do, please notify me on the comment section. Oh, Chocomilk. Next few Chocomilk. I asked them to send it for my kids to have a taste of it. And this one, cappuccino. Yeah, Cupico cappuccino candy. This used to be my favorite back in the days. You know, coffee based flavor and milk mixed together. I remember then we were so small. My sibling and I would always buy this on our way to church. We have one Musa towards our church. We always branch there using part of our free money to buy this. Oh, kids, don't do it, don't do it. The taste is still the same, but the size reduced drastically. But I still love it. I still love it, and I'm so grateful to have it here in Sweden. Guys, this is the last. Okay, we have golden mold. I know you like it, yes. So here comes the end of the video, guys. And if you haven't joined this family, please do well to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you, guys, and see you all in our next video.